guys, Kemcho, Bencho, Namaste. This is another vlog. It's your boy. I'm back again, reporting in Kolkata airport. So now, let's go see the reaction of we have to see my reaction of Kolkata's hotel. Right now I'm at the airport. The airport is super nice. It's super nice. It's super nice. It's good. Hey, if you want to visit India, either go to Mumbai or come to Kolkata. Kolkata is a good airport. Right? It's a good one. Right now I'm waiting for my bag. After I take my bag, then I'm going to book an Uber. Then we go and see the hotel. This vlog is all about the hotel. Hotel viewing everything inside, every room, the way to the hotel, and also some part of the airport. So be with me, stay with me until we reach the hotel. And it's gonna be bomb. It's gonna be a bomb. Why are they not bringing my bag? Is it like it's having drugs or yes, that's my bag. Yeah, that's my bag. So I've arrived at the hotel and I'm seeing some flyers of mess. They are putting flyers of mess. Now I'm going to check in for my room and see where I'm sleeping. I think they closed the restaurant. Let's go see if it's nice. Okay. It's your boy again. Right now I'm now in the hotel. So let's go for the looks and check how far it is. They took my bag. They're taking my bag downstairs. You can say hospitality is good. They are respecting. Right now the lift is small, so I'm just in a small lift. So one person lift. Maybe if I have a view, I'll be able to take care of it. Let's see. It's a boy. Now we are inside. Let's check how far is inside. So now I have to show you. It's not that bad. Yeah. It's kind of old, but I can't complain. It's good. It's good. It's good. We can just say, yeah, it's good. So let me show you around. Open some Zomato and order some food. I'm hungry. I am seeing food is expensive here. Let's see. I'm hungry. That's the only restaurant I'm seeing, but I have to find. Oh, they also put water here. Nice. I want water. Let's check if the food is good. So, Blinkit has come. I ordered Blinkit. I ordered some things from Blinkit. So let's go for. Oh, which things if I take off? I don't know how to put it there. Let's go for Blinkit. See. Which way? This. Okay. Okay guys, so food is arrived. This is like strawberry milkshake, vanilla milkshake. Let's see. This is from a restaurant called I don't know, let me see what the name. It's a burger. This is a burger. And also this is another burger. You see, and we put some popcorns, chicken popcorns. So let's eat and make our stomach feel good. My stomach was asking many questions. When are you going to eat, bro? When are you going to eat? Let's now eat. I was feeling hungry. Oh, the cheese. It's good, yummy, but a little bit spicy. A little bit spicy. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, to like, to share. Wait for another video, and wait for another video. Keep on adding some family. Tomorrow we have to go and collect some tickets at stadium, so also stay tuned. We still have got many vlogs. We also have to see Messi, Lionel Messi, the GOAT. Wait and see. We're going to enjoy this. I'm super excited. I'm curious to see Messi. My whole life I've been like, that was my dream. It's still my dream because I haven't seen him. I'm waiting. I can't wait to see him. Okay, stay tuned.